guys, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve's today. Normally we're cooking something up here around the house, smoking something up. If you missed my last cook, it was a smoked chuck roast. I swear that stuff is better than brisket and a whole lot cheaper. So if you missed that video, check it out in the link up above, and it's a good one. You may want to try it. But today's video, we're going to review a brush for the grill. It's called Grill Rescue Brush. And if you ever cleaned your grill and wondered about leaving steel wires behind from a wire brush and somebody getting it caught in their hamburger and going down their throat or whatever, you don't have to worry about that any longer if you get one of these. That's the best thing about this. It kind of cleans with steam, and there's no wire bristles involved, and you can feel safe when you're using it. So I've been cooking out here on this RecTeq bowl for probably maybe 14-15 hours. Had a long smoke on that chuck roast, and had a couple other cooks, and I knew this grill rescue brush was coming, so I didn't bother to clean it. I wanted that stuff to build up on there to put this thing through its test. And we're going to be doing a review on it and taking a look at it and see how well it works. So let's get this thing unpacked here and take a quick look at it. Okay, here it is. Grill Rescue, world's best grill brush. Comes boxed like this. We'll just open it up here if we can. And it says step 1, preheat your grill to a minimum of 400 degrees. Step 2, dunk your brush or run it under water. 3, gently wipe away the nasty gunk that's been building up. And here's what she looks like. You got a handle here, nice long red handle. Says Grill Rescue on it. Has a nice emblem here on the top of it, and that's where this pad right here mounts in, and it has a metal scraper on it. So this part here will just stick right in here, and that'll complete the brush. So I'm going to go ahead and get that put in there, get that RecTeq bowl heated up, and see what this guy will do. Okay, here it is. I got that pad snapped into place here. And as you can see, the stainless metal scraper says Grill Rescue, and there's our cleaning pad. And to clean that pad, you can just unsnap it and throw it in the dishwasher, or clean it in the sink with some dish soap, or however you want to do it. And down in the box, I did find this black tip here, and I went ahead and put that, slid that right on the base of the handle, and you can hang that up nicely on the grill. So let's go out there at the grill and see what we can do. Okay, we're out here at the RecTeq bowl. I just want to show you this. All this gunk and junk on here. It's looking bad. Normally I don't let it get nearly this bad. I normally clean it up after every cook. But it's built up on there pretty good, because I want to do a thorough review and see how well this Grill Rescue brush cleans it up. So I'm going to go ahead and get this grill fired up and let it heat up to about 400, and then we're going to get to cleaning. Okay, I got the BullsEye heating up, and we got a little bucket of water here with our Grill Rescue brush ready to rock and roll. So we're going to finish letting this get heated up, and then we're going to get to testing this thing out, see how well it does. Okay guys, we got our grill heated up to 400 degrees, and we're going to get to cleaning here. Now normally you'd clean this up after a cook. You wouldn't have to heat it up without cooking something. Normally you'd cook something, whether it be at 250 or whatever. Go ahead, once it's done, go ahead and crank it up to 400 and clean it then. But we're just doing a review on this brush now, so I had to get it up to temp without cooking something. So let's go ahead and get started. Got the brush here in the water. Oh yeah. Looks like it's doing a nice job so far. Gets a little dry, just add a little more water. See that steam? That grate gets clean for you. Got some stubborn places, turn it over. Use that scraper. As you can see, we're picking up a lot of stuff here. As you can see, it's doing a pretty good job with minimum effort. What I'm going to do, since I let this get so bad, I think I'm going to pause the video and flip these grates over and do the other side. Okay, I got these grates flipped over now. Normally you wouldn't have to do this, but I let them get so nasty that I felt like I needed to do this. So they're all flipped over now. That junk's coming right off there. The grate is a little discolored, but as far as the junk goes, it's mostly coming off. Very little work involved here. The best thing is, you don't have to worry about the wire bristles. Okay guys, that's it for the review. Put that steel brush away. Don't worry about those steel bristles getting in your food and ruining somebody's day or possibly longer. Wouldn't be a pretty sight getting those steel bristles down your throat and caught in there. Sounds like a hospital trip to me, just waiting to happen. So guys, check this brush out. I'll have links underneath the video in the description section. Check it out. You can see how well it cleaned. Now normally you wouldn't have to heat the grill up. You'd already be cooking something, and just get it up to 400 once you're done cooking, and let it clean away. Now I had a big buildup there on those grates, and it was really nasty, and I feel like that Grill Rescue brush did a real good job. So be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and check out some of my cooking videos, and I hope to see you on the next one.